How to create a website for free. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can easily create your free website with free hosting and free domain in under 10 minutes. So let's get into it. Now the first thing you might be wondering is, how do you get free hosting and free domain names? Well, there are many different web developing platforms out there right now. For example, we have Google Sites or Wix, which are some of the top tier website development softwares out there, and you can sign up for free on these platforms to start creating your own websites. And this is the best part about these websites, is that they allow you free hosting and free web domain. So although they are subdomains, you might have to deal with sites.google, or you might have a wix.wix in your domain name. It's still a pretty decent option for you to develop your free website. So the first thing you're going to do is go on to googlesites.com or go on to Wix. And on Wix, you're going to have to sign up with your email account. And if you already have your Gmail account, then you're automatically going to be logged on to sites.google.com. And from here, you can choose which platform you like. If you're a beginner and you have no idea in website development and you don't want to get confused, you want something simple, you don't want too much customization in your website, and you want just a very simple website, then you can use Google Sites. In any other situation, I would usually recommend going with Wix. That is the platform that we're gonna create our website on today. So once you go on to Wix, this is gonna be your basic dashboard. You can see all of the websites that I have created with Wix. And to create your new website, you're just gonna click on Create New Site over here. And once you have done that, Wix is going to ask you what kind of website you are looking to create. So if it's a online store, portfolio, blog, consultancy, or a technology company. So we're just going to say that, let's say this is a online store that we're looking to create, or let's say this is just a basic blog that we want to create. We're going to click on next over here, and then Wix is going to let you do two things. You can either let the Wix ADI create the website for you, and this will minimize the amount of work, but you will obviously get a lot less customization. Although you can customize the template that the ADI designs, it's a bit more fun to start with your own template. So you can click on edit a template, and then Wix is going to show you all the thousands of options that they have for you to start editing. So I'm just going to click on edit a template, and then we're going to browse the templates that Wix has. So you can see Wix has different categories, and you can browse templates within those categories. Even just blogs, we have over 6 pages worth of templates, and there are personal blogs, book blogs, food blogs, travel blogs, whatever kind of blog that you could imagine, they probably do have a template for it. And let's just keep on browsing and see what kind of different templates are available. Let's keep on looking, and you can just browse until you find something that you like. Obviously, you are going to customize this, but still you want something that you do find nice. So I actually really like this template, so I'm just going to click on edit over here, and I'm going to start customizing this template into my own blog. So it's very simple and easy, and Wix has really simplified the website development process. Now, once your template has been loaded over here, you're going to start editing your template. So on your left, you're going to find that you have your add section here, you have your pages and menus, you have your suite design, your application integrations, your business section, your media, and your async business tools. And from your Wix template editor, you can just click on any element that you would like to edit on this template. So if I want to edit this text, I can just click on the text, and then I can just double click and start renaming the text. So let's say I want to do Kaylee's Crafts, and maybe I want to change the font, so I'm going to do that, and I'm going to change the font for both of these texts until I find something I like. Now once I have done that, I can just click on the text itself, and then I can reduce the text box size, and then I can just drag and drop it on the side. And I'm going to remove this image over here that was added within the template, so I'm just going to delete that, and then I'm going to delete this. And you can see that they have a pretty decent template running. Now within your template, the first thing you might want to learn is, obviously you know how to edit these things. You're going to input your own information. You can delete different sections if you don't need them. So you can see that you can just delete this section if you want it. But if you want to add new pages, what you're going to do is you're just going to go onto your pages section over here. Then you're going to click on manage pages, and now you have your blog pages. So you have your post page and your home page, and with these two pages you can obviously rename them and add more pages as you go. Now within your pages, we're just going to click on add page over here, and then you can choose what kind of page you would like to add, or you can just click on add blank page and then just add a simple blank page onto your little website. So we're just going to click on blank page, and you can use a template page as well if a template page fits the requirements that you have, but I just added a blank page and I'm going to rename this into contact us. So we're just going to do a contact us page. Then I'm just going to click on done. With that, I'm going to drag it down. And then obviously you can link different pages to different directories as well, just like you could link a item or a text. And you can see now I have this contact us page, and with your contact us page, let's say I want to add some kind of information about myself. So I'm just going to click on add over here, and I'm going to add a text. If I want to add text, you can do that. If you want a social link, you can add those as well. So let's say I want to add a social bar for Facebook like this. So you can just add a social bar like so, and it is very simple to develop your website once you have added all the things you need in your website. So let's say we have our little bar over here, and we move our little image and information section on the top as well. So let's say we have all of this over here like so. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place this over here. Now once you have all of those design elements corrected, you're just going to click on publish. Then you're going to choose your domain name. So you can see with Wix, you're going to have this domain at the start no matter what, and then you can choose your own domain after that. So we have Kaylee's Crafts, we're going to add that. And we're just going to search if this is taken or not. So this is not taken, so we're just going to click on save and continue. And then we're just going to click on done. And once you have clicked on done, your website is now ready. So you can just click on view site over here. Now you can see our website has been published. If I go on to the contact us section that I designed, you can see I added this section over here, and I added this Facebook link. Obviously you're going to add your own Facebook website or whatever Facebook page that you might have, but I didn't have one, so I just let the Wix standard one. And once you have your website up and running, you're going to go back into your dashboard and you're going to have it appear over here. Then you can monitor your site analytics and all that directly from the Wix management section. So this is going to be your website management dashboard as well, and you won't have to constantly access the Wix editor to get analytics about your website and all of that. So you're going to find that in the manage.wix.com section. So you can see over here you have your CRM tools, marketing and SEO, analytics and report, and general finances of your website. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.